everyone, welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today we'll be learning about how to fix Messenger theme not working. So the first and foremost thing is you need to check whether the application is up to date or not. For that you need to go to the Play Store and you need to search Messenger. Then this page will appear where on the next to Messenger you can find install button if your Messenger application is not updated. Since I already have updated version of Messenger application on my device, so instead of update there is the open button. If there is update button, simply tap on update and update your application. So updating your application will set all the issues that you are facing. After you have done that, your Messenger theme not working problem might fix. But if this is not working for you, then you have to go to the settings, scroll down, and now tap on apps. Here you need to tap on app management, and on the search bar you need to tap on search in Messenger. Once you tap on Messenger app, the app info page of Messenger appears, where you need to tap on storage uses and clear the cache of Messenger. If doing this step also did not fix your problem, then you need to restart your phone by holding the power button and restarting your phone. Restarting your phone will fix the problem itself in the mobile, because there might be problem in your mobile also. So following this all step, you can easily fix Messenger theme not working problem. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.